Another wonderful day in New York City, still here. Everything's back to normal, the hustle and bustle. Emma's just gone to do dance class, so I'm just going to get a coffee and then wait for her. Where are we off to?
We are off to Ellis Island again.
Again. But this time we'll be able to see everything.
Yeah, I hope so.
They do airport style security, so Emma's got to finish her tea.
It's massive.
Do you think you can get through it all?
I'm sure I can. I think I have about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Ah, you should be fine then. Skull, skull, skull. Ellis Island round 2.
Yeah. In the sunshine.
Yeah. It'll make a difference, I think.
I think so.
Being able to see everything. And we can spend longer at Ellis Island too, so that'll be good.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be better. And actually we can enjoy the boat ride a bit more as well.
Yeah. A boat ride will probably be twice as fast.
Yeah, that's right. Which would be nice. There's no snow, no wind, no nothing, which is cool. Although there's more people.
This is about where we were standing to queue up the first day.
Yeah, but it was a solid line that just went straight through. It wasn't a mass of people. You ready?
Yeah.
No matter where we go.
What you doing?
Just doing a time lapse. Here. That. What you doing?
Doing the cold dance.
Is it cold? Is it?
Yeah. The wind is chilly.
You excited?
Yeah. Take two.
Take 2, yeah. We're back. We can probably actually do everything here.
Yeah. So.
We won't get kicked out this time because of the snow. Did you have a good day today?
I did.
Better than the first day?
Different to the first day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think we thoroughly enjoyed it. There was no blizzard, which was nice. We could
Yeah.
actually see things. We weren't kicked out early. And then we get that, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah. Now we go home, well, go back over there and find some tacos for Taco Tuesday. Yeah? Sounds good. This is the prettiest way to leave Ellis Island. Last time we came here, someone had the same beanie as me. My red and white Swans beanie. Which is ridiculous. It's an Australian rules team. And we saw them on Statue of Liberty with the same beanie. It's too windy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's too windy.
Better inside.
Or maybe out the back.
Well, we could try. You good?
Yeah.
We got a pin.
Yay!
Ready to go on our map for America. Of course, there's a sale at Guess, so we have to stop. I think we found a big bag of M&Ms.
Yeah.
Yeah, which one?
This one.
How much is that?
Kilo of M&Ms.
Oh my goodness.
This is party size.
Could you eat that whole thing?
No, I would. This is a family size, which is still pretty big.
Half a kilo?
Yeah, pretty much. Well, not me. I don't really like to call it family size. Then we go down. What's this? Sharing size. So you share that one. Where's normal people size?
There isn't one.
There is no normal people size.
Wow. Had a really cool day today. Going back to the island. Actually being able to see the Statue of Liberty. That was awesome. Emma's doing a bit of work now. As it was Tuesday, we had tacos, because Taco Tuesday. What do you think of the tacos?
They were good.
Yeah, they weren't too bad, were they?
Yeah.
Bit spicy.
You
But
put all the hot sauce on them.
Yeah, I didn't know it was hot sauce. It was green.
No, you always test it.
Test your sauce to make sure it's not hot. But yeah, it was really, really nice. Wasn't it? Yeah.
It was. I'm trying to do work.
Yeah, you're doing work, and I'm going to edit and go to bed. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow.